In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile accounts in Zoho Books. This process is vital for ensuring that your financial records perfectly match your bank statements, giving you a clear picture of your business's financial health. First, let's navigate to the reconciliation screen. Start by heading over to the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard and click on the Banking tab. This section provides an overview of all your linked bank accounts. Find and select the specific bank account that you're ready to reconcile. Once you've done that, look for the gear icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu. From there, select the Reconcile Account option. This will take you to the reconciliation screen where the magic happens. Now, let's proceed to start the reconciliation process. On this new screen, you'll want to click the Reconcile Now button. At this point, it's crucial to have your bank statement handy, as you'll need to enter the start date, end date, and the closing balance exactly as they appear on your statement. These details are essential as they set the parameters for your reconciliation and help Zoho Books align your records correctly. Once these fields are filled in, you're ready to click Start Reconciliation. With the parameters set, you're now in the transaction matching phase. Zoho Books will present a list of your internal transactions for the specified period. This step requires you to go through your bank statement meticulously, checking the boxes next to each corresponding transaction you find on the Zoho Books list. Your goal is to match every transaction, so continue pairing deposits and withdrawals until the difference displayed at the bottom of the screen reaches 0. Should you encounter discrepancies, this might be due to bank fees, any unrecorded transactions, or even timing differences. It's important to adjust for these by either adding new entries or unchecking existing ones to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Once you've successfully matched all transactions and your difference is 0, you're ready to finalize the reconciliation. Zoho Books provides you with two options. You can either click Save and Reconcile to immediately conclude the reconciliation process, or choose to save as draft if you need more time to review things and prefer to wrap things up later. And there you have it. By carefully following these steps, you're ensuring that your accounts are accurate and up to date, giving you peace of mind and better financial control over your business. Remember, regular reconciliation can prevent complications down the line and offers transparent financial insight. Thank you for watching, and happy reconciling.